Welcome back. In this module, we will be discussing about what is trainable classifiers and what are the different type of classifiers available in Microsoft Information Protection Solution and where we can use them. Classification method suits well to the content that is not easily identified by either manual or automated pattern matching methods. The classification method is more about identifying the item based on what the item is and not by the element that are in the items. Now, a question which might comes to your mind is how classifier learn to identify. A classifier learn to identify a type of content by looking to hundreds of examples of the content you are interested in classifying. So it means what you need to do, you have to provide some input to the to the solution so that it can start learning and it creates a classifier based on it. If we talk about the types of classifiers available, then there are some pre-trained classifiers which are available. So these are the classifiers which are available out of the box and ready to use. It means you can start using them starting day zero. If in case the out of the box classifier does not suit the requirement, then what organizations can do, they can have their own custom classifiers. Definitely, there will be some significant work involved when you are creating your own classifiers, but they will be much more better tailored to your organization need. Let's go a little deeper and try to understand the process behind the custom trainable classifiers. As a first step, what you need to do is to move some seed data of about approximately or 50 to 500 samples, positive samples, to the SharePoint Online folder. And after that, create a custom classifier and allow some time to process that data. Once the processing of data is complete, the solution will create a prediction based on the data which we have provided for the analysis. The next step is to test the prediction which solution have created based on the data which we have set. Move some test data with some positive and negative samples on the SharePoint's online folder and let the model evaluate this data and mark it as relevant and non-relevant. Once it mark the data as relevant and non-relevant, then what you need to do, you need to review those items and provide feedback whether you agree, disagree, or unsure about the prediction which the solution had given. If you feel that sufficient evaluation is done and you are good to publish the classifier, what you can do, you can go ahead and publish the classifier. If you feel no, still the evaluation need to be done and it is not yet to be production ready, then what you can do, you can move some more data. You can come back to this point and move some more data into it. Now let's talk about where we can use these classifiers. We should have some mechanism to use it. You can use these classifiers either in case of office auto labeling or with the retention policies or the communication and compliance policies you will be creating in the solution. This concludes this module where we discuss about what is data classifier, what are the different type of data classifiers and where we can use them.